Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you 5 reasons you should absolutely stop using the face razors. These beauty influencers have been telling you tons of lies for years and they actually don't tell you what happens to your face once you start shaving. I don't like this cactus-like feeling all over my face. Even when the hair grows back to normal length, like the original length, even then I feel this, beard-like feeling. And the more I shave, the growth of my hair will become very thick. Number 3, after getting into this trap, there is no going back. You'll just have to stop using it, just see where your hair growth is. You'll have to, go back to the traditional hair removal method like wax kar sakte ho. And at least it will take you 3 months before you can see your original, baby hair or soft hair coming back. Number 4, shaving ruins your natural hairline. The natural baby hairline around your forehead, around your sideburns is completely gone. बहुत ज़्यादा आप इसे use करेंगे तो in long run you would have sideburns like men. And the final reason is how unsafe this method is. There are a number of times when I've cut my face using this, and if the cut is deep, you may have to go for a tetanus shot. An open wound on your face is really not nice because you can't apply your moisturizer, you can't apply any kind of chemicals on your face till the time that is healed. So it is really, really not safe out there. And I want to conclude by saying that don't use this as your primary hair removal method, because using this once or twice in a case of emergency or you have something to attend on a short notice is fine. They earn like crazy. They can afford, laser treatments to get it corrected. You and me can't. So let's get back to the traditional hair removal method. If you want to, you can choose to remain as natural as you can, but if you want to go for hair removal methods, just go for traditional methods like waxing your facial hair or threading, because that removes your hair from the root and the regrowth is much natural. Plus the regrowth doesn't happen as frequently as it happens with this. And I know those methods are painful, but those are really effective as compared to this shit. That's all guys I want to share with you. Like, share, comment, follow, subscribe, please.